So for our next video is how to set up and configure your sub account setting in Zapify.io. So we have to go to settings, and then we need to fill in our business name. So for our business name, it's called Peruvian Partners. And then our phone number.